guys, I'm back. It's me, Joy. I come to bring you joy once again, the easy way. So, I want to show you how to make the best popcorn ever. This popcorn is so good. Okay, you guys, I have been told. Actually, what I used to do is I used to sell it for my girls because they dance, because I am a dance mom. And we used to think of ways to do fundraisers. So one of the ways that I help them get money for dance, for competition, they compete, is I sold popcorn. So I want to show you how I make my famous popcorn. So what I do is I buy the popcorn in bulk. So at our store, which is called Winco, I buy white popcorn, not the yellow kernels, the white kernels. You can also just go buy a bag of popcorn, like the Jolly Time or whatever, but I buy the white kernels, not yellow. I use nutritional yeast sometimes. I also use sea salt. The butter flavoring, this is the famous chili flavoring. Everybody loves this one. Also, you're gonna need these bags. This is what I put the popcorn in. And also, this is a good snack for your kids to put in their lunch, for your husband. It's also a great snack while you're sitting there watching your kids place after they competed all day long to see if they got lightning gold or high gold or whatever gold, you know, the highest one, first place basically. So it's a great snack for yourself too. So anyways, I'm gonna show you how to use two different popcorn makers. I have the older version of the Stir Crazy popcorn maker, and then I have the newer version. So I'm gonna show you how to make the popcorn in both of them. All right, you guys ready? So this is the popcorn maker I was talking about. This is the new version of the Stir Crazy. It's called Stir Crazy. This is the old version. So they came out with a new version. It makes the same amount of popcorn, okay? So what you're gonna do is, so it has this part. You put this on there. You screw this on there. And then you're gonna I use measuring cups for this because if you don't measure it, it really does make a difference. So it's 3/4 cup of the popcorn. 3/4 cup. Oh, first let me tell you, you're gonna need canola oil. Canola oil is the best oil to use. I have used extra virgin olive oil light, but this canola oil, it makes it taste like you put butter on the popcorn. So you're gonna do 1 cup of canola oil. 1 cup. And you're gonna pour this oil in the base of the popcorn maker. Okay? And then you're gonna take your 3/4 cup of white kernels and put it at the base of the popcorn maker. Put the lid on. Usually, I think how the directions tell you is you're not supposed to put anything at the bottom because you see, this is oil actually. These little pieces. It kind of makes it messy when you do it this way, but I'm telling you, the popcorn is the best. So usually, I guess the way you're supposed to make is you put the kernels in here, and then you can put butter at the top of here and let the butter melt. But I'm telling you, this is the best way to make the popcorn. It's gonna taste like you already have butter on it. So you're gonna make sure this is on there solid because it clips on there. And then there's a button on this one. So you're gonna go ahead and turn it on. This is my old school one. It's all the way broke, just so y'all know. The top don't stay on, everything. It doesn't have the little turner. I don't know where it went, it broke. And this one, when they originally made it, you have to actually plug this in. You have to plug it in the side right here. So for this one, I use 1 cup of oil. I use 1 and 1/4 cup of oil. I don't know why I have to use more oil with this one. I don't know if it's because the base was bigger, but I use 1 cup, 1 1/4 cup. Okay, so I pour the oil in there like that, and then you get your 3/4 cups of white kernels. Again, it's 3/4. You pour it in, and you put the lid on. And you want to move your stuff because it starts popping. Starts popping everywhere. And this one you plug in, and it doesn't have a switch to turn on and off. So this one you have to be really, hold on guys, to make sure I plugged it. So these are the 2 ones, Stir Crazy popcorn makers. You can get these at, I think I got this at Target, but I'm sure, I think it's at Walmart too and Target. This is the old school one, this is a new school one. So it's done. Be careful because this is super hot. It's super hot. You missed the part where this was actually spinning. It lifted and it starts spinning like this. So you have to be careful. This is super hot. So what you want to do is you want to take it, flip it. Careful because all of that's popping. It's so hot. See that one? I use 2 bowls because, okay, it's making a mess. Very hard to not make a mess. But I use 2 bowls because it's easier to distribute the seasonings. So I put it in 2 bowls. So after it comes out, it's still warm and everything. And the base of the popcorn is always sea salt. So I sprinkle sea salt. Shake it. I didn't measure it. And if you have high blood pressure, then just don't put salt. I make popcorn for people that have high blood pressure, and I don't put the salt on it. I just put nutritional yeast on there. I use Bragg's nutritional yeast. Actually, at our grocery store, Winco, they have nutritional yeast in like a bin thing where you can get it in a bag too. So you can use this. And what I do is, I'll make 1 nutritional yeast and 1, hold on, I gotta stop my other popcorn. I just take the nutritional yeast, take about a handful, like this, sprinkle it, shake it, flip it. And then I do the other bowl. And it just evens, it actually seasons it more better when you do it in 2 different bowls. And then you taste it. So this is the nutritional yeast popcorn. Nutritional yeast is like a cheesy flavoring. Okay, so you saw where I flipped the popcorn maker. Please be very careful because the oil pops everywhere, stuff's popping everywhere. So if you have like oven mittens or something like that, use that. I just been making popcorn for a very long time, so I'm used to like flipping it, but it could get slippery and it can burn you. So be very careful when you flip the popcorn maker, okay? So I'm gonna make the chili flavor now. So you always start your popcorn with sea salt, like I said, but if you have high blood pressure, you don't have to use sea salt. Sometimes I use Himalayan salt, but I just use sea salt the most. But you can flavor your popcorn however you want to flavor it. And I don't use that much sea salt. And one of my children, actually Ashley, she only likes the salt flavor popcorn. So I always keep 1 popcorn aside for her because she only likes the salt flavor. So this is chili lime kernel seasoning. It's the chili lime one. People love this seasoning. So you just sprinkle it on. Sprinkle it. You don't need to use too much. It might look light, like, oh, that doesn't look like enough seasoning, but trust me, it's enough. So I always flip the popcorn after I shake it. Every shake I flip. I kind of, if you saw me flipping it. Like flip it, shake it, get all the seasonings all around everywhere. And one more time. So I did like 3 times, but not too much. I don't know if you can see the seasoning coming out, but it's not, I'm not sprinkling too much. Okay, so this is the chili lime flavor. Make 1 bowl. So those containers make 1 bowl of popcorn. This is the fun movie night popcorn. Yay! And then this one is gonna be butter flavor. So I make 3 flavors. I make nutritional yeast. You can look up what nutritional yeast is. It has like a lot of B vitamins in it. Nutritional yeast. A lot of vegan people eat nutritional yeast. So I'm gonna, oh, I didn't show you. This is the butter flavoring. So I'm putting butter flavoring. But really, I'm telling you, even if you just put only sea salt on it, you don't even need the butter flavoring. I just put this on here because some of my family members like it. They have cheese flavoring. You can put all different flavorings on here. They have kettle corn flavoring, and that's the butter one. And then after you're done making all your popcorns, I have these party bags that, I think I got these at Walmart. It comes with 150. They're party bags. They're about this big. This big. You know those party bags? They're clear party bags. So after I'm done making the popcorn, of course I washed my hands. You put the popcorn in the bag to make a little snack bag to take on the go. So these come in handy when you have those long weekends of competition. You have to be there for a whole weekend. And you always want that good snack. And they come with these little ties. And you just tie the bag. I fill it up pretty good because I feel like I'm an adult and I need my whole bag filled. But if you're doing it for like little kids, you could do half the bag or whatever. And that's it. Great snack to go, to give to your kids for their lunches, to give to your husband for a snack, to take with you on the road when you're going, soccer moms, whatever. Just a great snack to take with you. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you learned something. Like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. Hope you guys are having a great day and take it easy.